How to search items on Amazon app online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search items on Amazon app online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Amazon app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, what you can do is you can just tap on the search bar, which can be seen in the top of the screen. Now here you can simply search for the products that you want to buy, and once you search for it, it will show you all the items that is related to the search words that you have typed. And that's it. That's how you can search items on Amazon app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.